Train number 4, Kansas City Southern Local, LL60. Fourth train, Kansas City Southern Local LL60 with a beautiful horn salute. Let's go. Sorry about that. We got out here late, but Dad wants to leave at 5. Can we just stay till 6, please? Because if not, I might have a meltdown. Because I've only caught 4 trains. I want to catch my normal trains 6 to 7. I just realized I said that in my video. I'm so sorry about that. Just ignore that what I said. Just ignore that what I said. So, yeah. Again, I'm so sorry for that, saying that I forgot I was recording this train. I'm so sorry about that. Like, I really, really am. Just ignore that, please. Just ignore it, please. Hey, brand new Union Pacific boxcar, no graffiti. Look at that. UP boxcar, no graffiti. Wow. It's moving really slow. Wait, does he have a DPU? No, wait, hold on. No, okay. I thought he had a okay, that's just a box car. I thought he had a DPU for a second. I'm like, what? I thought he had a DPU for a second. I'm like, whoa. What kind of KCS local is this? I'm about to say, man. I'm about to say, man. Like, a KCS local having a DPU? That's super rare right there, honestly. It's probably the rarest thing you can see. Hey, he's got auto racks. In case you're wondering what those 2 other people are, those are some real fans of mine, so shout out to them. KCS box. You got the door open on that KCS box car. Well, it's not a KCS box car, but technically it is because it's on a KCS train. Here's the auto racks. BNSF, CSX. Hey, CPKC auto rack. Conrail. Conrail. There goes the end of the 4th train in Metairie, Kansas City Southern Local LL60, with a beautiful horn show from the engineer. Hope you enjoy.